and welcome. Gifts are great, and more so when we are at the receiving end. But how do you get Amazon gift cards? Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can get Amazon gift cards. Well, there are multiple ways to get Amazon gift cards. The primary ones being purchasing directly from Amazon retail stores, through third-party websites, gift card exchange programs, and many others. But here we are gonna particularly look at how we can get it from Amazon itself, that is by purchasing it, so that we can send it to someone else or we can get it in physical form. Alright, let's get started. The first step is launching your Amazon app in your phone. Alright, launch it. Now at the top there is search bar. In there you can either write Amazon gift cards print at home or Amazon gift cards digital. If you want to get the physical copy of your gift card, you need to choose Amazon gift cards physical. If you want to send digitally to someone, this is what we need to select. Alright, let's select it. Now scroll down and you will get all kinds of Amazon gift cards. Amazon gift card, e-gift card. Alright, this is the one we want to select. Let's select it. Now they are designed standard, animated, your photo or video. So whichever you want to select, you can do so and preview it. And you can also view more designs and choose the one as per the occasion. Okay, let's choose this happy birthday with a cake. Now select. Now to send this through email, we need to provide a email address in here. Alright, and from, this is our name and your message. We can also add a custom message here and quantity. How many do we want to send? That to be sent, we can either schedule it to be sent in the future date or you can send it right away. And finally you can either add to cart or buy now. If we do buy now, so let's enter our email address, buy now. Now we need to add a credit or debit card, and if we continue, the gift card will be sent to the person whom we have entered in the receiver field. Alright, now you know how to get Amazon gift card directly from Amazon by purchasing. You can experiment with other methods like retail stores, through third-party websites, gift card exchange programs and others. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.